Okay.
JT Paul. Here I have one for Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Thank you to have me on on your channel, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, man. So we do it in Jamaica, man. Give you a pound. Yeah, man. A pound. Yeah, man. Yeah,
So
man.
Uncle just say go to shut up my channel.
Yes, yes. Big up to my friend here channel. What's the name of my channel again?
JT Paul.
JP Paul channel. Yeah, man. I want to say, please go and show him some love. Yeah, Jamaican uncle is here, and he's a good person. And once you see he come around me and show me that love, I would like to support him also. Yeah, man. So.
How do you feel like it is in Africa?
Yeah, beautiful, man. Life in Africa is beautiful. Even if it wasn't that beautiful, man, if I came here the first time, I wouldn't come back here. Yes, yes. You're from Tanzania too?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Yes, yes. Yes. Yeah, man, I want to come there, man.
Welcome. So, how do you feel? Mama's home.
Yes, yeah. It's wonderful, man, because he's the one that inspired me to come here. And from I come here the first time, he told me that whenever time I want to come, I don't even call him, just come. Because my room is right there.
Once I saw you absolutely get one video of Mama.
Yes,
You're
yes.
moving the shoes that thing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, yes, man. Because this is a blessed ground, man.
Yeah.
Africa on a whole. It's a blessed ground, you know. So I have to take off my shoes and make my foot get connected. Yeah, man, on the
And so
ground.
you think, thanks God.
Yeah, man, I think you got thanks, man. Where thanks, man? Real, man. Yeah, man. And you know, all my Jamaican people, they love Africa. They love Africa. And that's everybody dream. Most people in Jamaica, that's their dream, to come to Africa one day. Because you know,
Africa is a very good.
yes. Because not only that, we are from Africa.
Yeah.
We Jamaican and we are from Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are from Africa. Yeah. So everybody want to come put back their foot on the ground again. Yeah. It's a healing ground.
Yeah, I saw you moving the shoes.
Yes.
Say good thanks.
Yeah, I have to give God thanks, man, for real.
So, Uncle.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
You're
When
welcome.
going back there, so just with those people.
Yes,
Just
yes.
to love them.
Yeah, man. Just have to. You're right about that.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.